All right, so we are in the Venetian this morning. I'm going to show you guys how to get to the taxis and the rideshare. Now, the rideshare area in the Venetian is one of the hardest ones to get to. It's the most confusing. The taxis, not so much. The taxis are right out by the lobby. So let's go head out that way. Now, we started kind of in the center of the casino. So we're gonna head out towards the lobby area. This is one of the most beautiful casinos on the whole entire strip. So we just have to walk down this hallway here. So right when you get to that fountain, you're gonna make yourself a right. And just go right out these doors. And this will bring you out to the taxi area. They'll call you a taxi right out here. You can walk right out to the strip. You make a right. So now to get back to the rideshare area, we need to head back in the casino area. Now this is where it starts to get really confusing because the signage is not great. We'll see a couple signs that say rideshare, but other than that, it's not the best signage. We did this early in the morning, so we didn't have to deal with the crowds because it gets pretty packed in the Venetian. So when you get into the casino area, immediately you want to make a right and walk past our new food hall. A lot of great stuff, a lot of great little food options in there. This is more geared towards adults. The food hall downstairs is more geared towards kids down in the Grand Canal shops. So you're just gonna stay on this pathway and you're gonna look for the signs that say self-parking, rideshare, which you can see right up here. Right when you get to the Grand Lux Cafe, you're going to make a right. And you're gonna have to go up these escalators right over here. Now this kind of feels like you're going the wrong way, but trust me, you're not. You're gonna go up to the up the escalator, follow the signs for the parking garage and the ride share. You'll see what I mean when we get up here, how it gets a little bit confusing. Also, if you're ordering like DoorDash or Grubhub or Uber Eats, you have to come out here to pick up your food order. Now, right up here at the top is the coffee bean and tea leaf. And we're gonna walk towards that and make a left. You see it says self-parking, valet, rideshare, car rental. We're actually going to head in to where it says valet car rental. We're going to head straight. That is the rideshare area. Also, if you make a right, that'll bring you to the elevators. That'll take you to the parking garage. So that's where a lot of people, they hear it's in the parking garage and they go that way. But you want to go through these doors. You'll see the signs, rideshare, food app orders straight ahead. So we're gonna keep going this way. Now this is not the worst rideshare area to find on the strip. We'll get to that one in another video. Now this is all broken down into zones. It has several different zones going down here. I think there's 3 different zones. Your rideshare will tell you what zone to go to. They have some nice benches, some nice seating areas. Not that great of a view of the utility roads back there, but that is how you get to the rideshares. So at Venetian, the rideshares are not as simple to get to as a lot of other places. The signage is not great. It did improve though from the first times I started looking for the rideshares. So if you like these type of videos, trying to find your way around Vegas, let us tell you the way to go. Give us subscribe to our channel. Give this video a like, share it out to your friends that'll be out here in Vegas looking for the rideshares. And we'll see you on the next one.